pastilla. Okay, welcome to CSONS at Home, week 54. So this week we're kind of going a little bit Moroccan again. We've got some pheasant pastilla, some sort of slightly roasted beetroots, a bit of our harissa, and a yoghurt dressing, some of the lovely Shropshire microherbs. So the first thing we're going to do is get our pastillas. Actually, the first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to about 180, I'm guessing. Something like that. You can obviously...
What's a pastilla, Josh?
A pastilla is, well, it's a bit like a sort of Moroccan pasty, but it's with phyllo pastry, all wrapped around spiced meaty filling. Okay, so they're in. 10 to 15 minutes. I'll pop the beetroot in just to warm them up towards the end. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes now, and pastillas are starting to get a nice bit of crisp on them, so I'm going to pop the beetroot in the pan. I'll just give them another few minutes, and then we'll be ready to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the beetroot out warm and just toss them through with some of the yoghurt. And then we'll use the other yoghurt for garnishing the plate, the harissa for garnishing the plate too, and in the micros. That's a pretty little salad. Okay, so you see our parcels have gone nice and crispy on top. They're all ready and a little bit sizzling. Take these guys, put them in there whilst they're hot. I'm just going to chuck the yogurt, one of the yogurts in. Just gently fold it through. Doesn't need to be mixed too much because otherwise it will go extremely pink. Okay, I'm just going to pop this on the one side. Get our pastilla. Lean it up. I might just put them back in there with that back in there. And take a little bit of the oil off the harissa. Just as a little bit of yogurty kind of dressing. I'm just going to drizzle some of this all over. The microherbs will obviously be a little bit different to this, but similar sort of idea.